So welcome back guys to Threshold Home Tuition. Today we are going to discuss an important concept from biology, that is thoracic chamber or thoracic cavity is an airtight chamber. How? See guys, thoracic cavity is an airtight chamber because laterally it is covered with ribs, dorsally it is covered with vertebral column, ventrally it is covered with sternum, and also from lower side it is covered with dome shaped diaphragm. Additionally, thoracic chamber is changed, increased or decreased because pulmonary volume cannot be changed. So thoracic volume has to be increased or decreased in order to change the pulmonary volume. Same aids in ventilation or breathing. In breathing we does not change pulmonary volume. So we change our thoracic volume or thoracic chamber by shifting all the muscles like ribs, intercostal muscles, external intercostal muscle, internal intercostal muscle, etc. Thank you guys.